If you thought that Maharashtra cabinet is set and ready, not just yet, because now a senior NCP leader appears upset, appears miffed. And this is Chhagan Bhujbal, remember, who's a veteran leader who has said that rejected the Rajya Sabha seat offer for the cabinet. This is not about sources, remember, this is as clear as it gets. Chhagan Bhujbal is saying 3 NCP leaders decide among themselves. The BJP list goes to Delhi, not to the list goes to Delhi, not to the NCP. Remember, Chhagan Bhujbal has been supportive of Ajit Pawar, especially when the whole transition happened, the breakdown. Let's listen in to what did Chhagan Bhujbal have to say.
हे खरं आहे, हे खरं आहे.
एकूणच आपण असं म्हटलं की पक्षात लोकशाही असायला हवी, ती दिसून येते.
बरोबर आहे ना, चर्चा असायला पाहिजे. बीजेपीची सुद्धा लिस्ट पार दिल्लीपर्यंत जाते, चर्चा होते आहे. पवार साहेबांना सुद्धा काय करायचं असेल तर थोडीफार चर्चा करतात. इथे फक्त काय कोणाला काय माहितीच नाही, शेवटच्या खेळापर्यंत फक्त अजित पवार, प्रफुल्ल पटेल आणि तटकरे हे तिघेच. म्हणजे चर्चेमध्ये किंवा ज्याला डिसिजन मेकिंग म्हणतो त्याच्यामध्ये आमचा सहभाग शून्य. कुणाला तिकीट द्यायचं आमदाराचं आम्हाला माहीत नाही. खासदार तिकीट कोणाला द्यायची चर्चा नाही. मंत्री कोणाला करायचं आम्हाला माहीत नाही. खाती आम्हाला काही माहिती नाही. आम्हाला फक्त तिघांना सगळं माहिती आहे. आमचं म्हणणं असं आहे की आम्ही इथे आलो तर आमची सिनियरिटी ठेवूनच आलो ना. याच्यापूर्वी शिवसेनेत असेल, काँग्रेसमध्ये असेल किंवा राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसमध्ये अशा प्रकारे आम्हाला विश्वासात घेतलं जायचं, सांगितलं जायचं, समजून सांगायचं हे असं करतो, याला आम्ही सांगायचो बरोबर नाही, ठीक आहे. आमची सूचना कदाचित ते नाकारत असतील, पण विश्वासात घेऊन चर्चा तर होत होती. इथे काही चर्चा वगैरे काही नाही.
मुख्यमंत्री.
So what does this really mean? Is after the NCP breaking, could there be more rift in it? I want to bring in my colleague Vidya. Vidya, Chhagan Bhujbal is no young ordinary leader. He's been a veteran. He understands political calculations. What should one make of this statement according to you?
Well, he clearly is miffed at not getting a cabinet berth. In fact, everyone, especially in Nashik, was extremely shocked to know that, he's supposed to be close to the Pawars, and he had left Sharad Pawar and then joined the Ajit Pawar faction. And in spite of that, he has not been given a berth. And he himself in that interview is saying that he's a very senior, party leader, and he should have been considered. But it's not just in this particular issue. In fact, he's saying that in every decision-making process, the participation of any other NCP leader, apart from Sunil Tatkare, Chhagan Bhujbal, Prafull Patel and Ajit Pawar, there is no other person who is participating. There, everyone's participation is nil, and that's one of the issues that he's raising. But certainly he hasn't really spelled out his future course of action, whether he'll continue being with the Ajit Pawar faction, whether he'll leave it, join in Sharad Pawar. He's really not spelled any of what his future action would be. But it clearly is that he is quite miffed snubbed at being not given a cabinet berth this time around.
All right, this is interesting, remember, because Chhagan Bhujbal expressed complete support to the NCP when that rift had happened. So we'll be waiting for what exactly happens here. Is this just about a miffed leader, or could it actually tell about what is happening to NCP in days to come? Thank you very much for now.